KR experience, y'all. There you go, guys. Today is a beautiful day in California, fam. Go to the website, check out the air fresheners, Rare Origin. So beautiful day outside. Alright guys, before we start the install on the Ipl side skirts, we are going to check a before and after. These are the OEM 2012 Sport side skirts. I don't know if I might be using the same ones from here, which I don't think so. I'll figure it out right now. Another thing is that these side skirts are gonna be for sale. So if anyone from YouTube wants to buy them, head over to my Instagram and send me a DM. I'll probably be asking for them $180, which that's reasonable, I think. They have a couple scratches, but nothing major. So this is a before and after. There it is. And also before we start the install on the Ipl side skirts, I want to show you guys how I found out the problem on my fog lights. They're working right now, everything works. So this is how you can do it to find out what's wrong with your HIDs, if it's the ballast or if it's a fuse. You're gonna be able to tell with this. Let me show you guys. So basically we connect everything, so it's gonna be something like this. This is how I test my own HIDs. Alright guys, so simply you just get your ground and your red cable, and you're gonna test it out on the battery. So this is how I test mine out. So everybody's different. There we go. We got a good working ballast. So that's how you test the HIDs. Alright guys, so hopefully that helps anyone. Alright, let's go into the Ipl side skirts. Fam, don't forget to check out the apparel, Rare Origin. Head over to the store, get yours today. Alright, we have low car problems. I'm gonna get up the car on those brakes so I can lift up the car a little bit more. That way I can go under and check where the clips or bolts are, so I can take off the skirt. We got the first one out, so we're good on that. Alright fam, just like I expected, we have one bolt here, and there. So we're gonna go all the way around and get him off. So that's gonna be the thing right now. So let's take him off. One extra, so in total there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bolts. There's one all the way to the end somewhere here, so that's the one I forgot. Right now it should be old clips. It should come out real quick. Let's check it out. Pull it. Guys, I was trying to save the clips, but to be honest, if you break them, that's fine. You don't need them. When you buy the OEM side skirt from the dealer, it comes already with clips. So basically you don't need them. It's just plug and play. So we should be able to install this right now fast and easy. So right now I'm just gonna take off these ones, which we don't need them. See, should be good to go. Just gonna take out this one, take out anything we have somewhere. This one, and we're good to go. Our new side skirt, it's ready to be installed. So let's do this. Guys, like I told you, everything was plug and play. Right now we're just gonna make sure everything is there and put everything back, like all the screws and everything, and then we should be able to go. Alright fam, so we got the ones on the sides. This one, we got this one. It only takes one. We're not gonna be using the other piece for this. I mean, you can try and use it, but I just don't see any use for it. I mean, the IPL already looks aggressive, so nah, it's just, at the end of the day, it's just gonna hit on the bottom since you're low. So I'm not gonna put that one on. We're good to go. Right now I'm just gonna put all the bolts on the bottom, and that should be good to go right now. Let me put them on and go from there. There we have it fam. First side skirt is on. Again, don't worry about the clips. I was really careful at first taking off the clips, which that took some time, but to be honest, you don't need them. The OEM side skirts has all the clips, and that's gonna make the job easier, and you're gonna be good to go. So we are done with the driver's side. We're gonna jump in to the passenger side, and after this, go grab something to eat, get some shots, get some video, and see how the car looks. Alright fam, so like I said on the video, OEM side skirts for sale. Alright fam, we got out the OEM side skirt. You are going to have a problem taking out this clip. What I did is just cut it, and basically you got a new one, so you don't need it. So you can cut it and you should be good to go. So I'm gonna cut it right now and put the other side skirt on. Alright fam, we are done. For this install, the side skirts, I used this one, small 10mm or big 10mm extension, and I used the 7mm with screwdriver head. That way you can able to move easy on the sides right here. So, which I forgot to put this one on. Let me show you guys quick how this works. That way you don't have to remove any wheels or anything like that. It's just like you're good to go. Alright, so those are the tools that I used, and the flathead, and the car is good to go. I'm gonna take off the car off the brakes, go find a nice spot, take video of it, and pictures and go to eat. But damn, car is coming a long way, fam. Look at that. And all this is thanks to you guys subscribing to the channel. Grab your Rare Origin sticker, whatever you guys want, air fresheners, they are on the site. So let me get this car ready. God damn, guys, what a difference the side skirts make. Look at that. Boom, that shit looks nice. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.